Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel, another informative and useful video. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna be show you how to fix iPhone overheating problem after iOS 26 update. So guys, if you have updated your device to the latest version of iOS 26 and you are facing a problem that your device is overheating, so guys, today in this video I'm gonna be show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to just simply open your settings and then scroll it below and then tap on general and then tap on iPhone storage and make sure that there is enough storage on your iPhone, and then you have to just simply delete the useless apps from here. So guys, after doing this you have to just simply go back and then tap on VPN and device management and make sure that there is not connected any of the VPN. If there is an connected VPN, then you have to just simply disconnect the VPN and then check if the problem is fixed or not. If you're having still this problem, then you have to just simply force restart your device for one time. So guys, after force restarting your device, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, in this way you can easily fix your problem. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If that does help you, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.